हेलो पीपल, व्हाट्स अप? वेलकम टू DIY, अ शो जहां पर हम आपको देंगे कुछ ऐसे क्विक फिक्सेस टू फिक्स अप मोस्टली एवरीथिंग इन योर हाउस। गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड इश्यूज आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड, लेकिन उसके अलावा इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर हाउस लुक प्रिटियर बाय यूजिंग दिस, द आंसर इज यस। If you want to fix up some irritating maintenance issues by using tools like these, the answer is yes. Basically, if it's in the house, it's definitely on the house. My name is Akash Beri and I'm your fixer on your show, DIY. Whenever we have a party at our place, अगले दिन हमारी हालत खराब होती है. Why? Not because of the hangover, but because of the mess we have. मेरी जो हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टी थी ना, my back was literally broken and I had pain for a week. But it turned out to be good mess for me because I was left with lot of empty bottles. आपके पास अगर खाली bottles होती हैं, what do you do? I'll show you. हेलो, हाँ जी, भगार वाले भैया जी, अरे मेरे घर में बोतलें काफ़ी आ गई हैं, आ सकते हैं क्या? अच्छा, आज नहीं आएंगे? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, good for me. So are you also stuck with empty bottles? Well, आकाश के रहते ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. I'm gonna show you some very cool things which you can do with empty bottles, जिससे आपका घर सजेगा, संवरेगा और आपका मूड हमेशा ब्राइटन अप रहेगा. Bottle lamp. I know, it sounds fancy. Don't worry, it's very simple. Firstly, take an empty bottle. Wash it properly, like rinse it thoroughly. वो क्या होता है ना, glue, label, किसी भी तरह का दाग रहना नहीं चाहिए. Then take a string of LED lights or mirchi lights. I don't know why we call them mirchi lights. Spicy तो नहीं होती हैं. Diwali lights, popularly known. Carefully take one end of the mirchi lights and start inserting it inside the bottle. Slowly, like this. Keep going until you reach the end of the string. Don't worry though about the shape of the string inside. Trust me, it's gonna look classy. What else you can do is, you can take colorful strings, colorful strips, use glitter and insert them also inside the bottle. It will add more class and color to the lights. Here we go. If you want, you can even add colorful artificial stones. Now, to give the final touch, ribbon ले लेते हैं. And tie it around the neck. Similarly, what I've done with these two bottles. Now, I'm gonna switch it on. Magic for you. So basically, ये आपका centerpiece decor हो गया, आपके dining table की शान हो गई. So now, whenever someone's gonna come at your place to have dinner, आपका fan होके जाएगा वो. Bottle lamp. Materials required are empty bottles, LED lights, colored stones and decorative papers. Procedure is, take an empty wine bottle or any empty glass bottle. Make sure that there are no traces of glue on the bottle. Now, insert the LED lights slowly in the bottle. You can also add colored stones and colored paper strips to make the bottle look colorful. You can also make different patterns of mirchi lights for other bottles. If you're one of those who try their best to make life less complicated, basically, if you're a lazy bum like me, जो कुछ करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं, मूड को रिफ्रेश करने के लिए, then this trick, this जुगाड़ is meant for you. Firstly, hold her tight. Hold her by her waist. Bring her close to your face. And then suddenly realize she's a bottle, not your girlfriend. So basically, move on with life. But इस bottle के साथ आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Simple. Take a candle, try and insert it inside the bottle. But अगर candle थोड़ी मोटी है, पतली है, it's not fitting in, then you can use double tape like this so that it fits in properly. Insert it inside the bottle. Here we go. Light up the candles. There we go. Your bottle candle holders. एक romantic evening आपका इंतजार कर रही है. But again, if you're one of those जिन्हें वो बड़ी scented candles पसंद हैं, then I have another trick for you. Take these bottles to any hardware store and get their bases removed, the bottom, like this. Now, light up the scented candle. Here we go. Now, place these bottles on top of the candles. Further, अगर आप अपनी इस romantic evening में कुछ add करना चाहते हैं, you can decorate these bottles by using colored strings, glue, ribbons, और glue से आप इस तरह से colored stones इसमें paste भी कर सकते हैं. आपकी वाइफ को आपसे दोबारा प्यार हो जाएगा. The most romantic evening of your life awaits you. You're welcome. Bottle candle holder. Materials required are bottles, thin candles and round shaped candles. Procedure is just blow into the mouth of the bottle to clear out the dust. Take a candle and fit it in. If it doesn't fit in the bottle, use double tape and that will help hold the candle in position. You can also use different size candles. Take these bottles to a hardware shop, get the bottoms part cut, light the candles and place the bottles above the candles. You can use colored stones, glitter and decorative papers to make your candle holder look beautiful. Welcome back to DIY. You know, besides drinking away your sorrows, this bottle of wine can come in very handy. It can actually help you in creating life. मजाक समझ रहे हो ना? मतलब आप लोग कभी मुझे सीरियसली लोगे नहीं. अभी प्रूफ करता हूं. Firstly, you'll need an empty bottle of wine, of course. Then you'll need water, some oil wicks, of course, mud, and your favorite sapling. So firstly, go to any hardware store and get this bottle cut in half so that it looks like this. Then take the bottom part, place it on the floor. फिर top part को उल्टा करके insert it like this. Then take oil wicks. Make sure it's thick enough and long enough so that जब आप top से insert करें, it touches the bottom too. Then insert it inside the bottle. Hold it from the side and then pour water. There we go. Fill the bottom part with water. Now, take your sapling and the mud. Press it properly and place it in the bottle. इस तरह आराम से. There you go. Your pot plant is ready. As you can see, the wick will absorb water up to the soil, making it a self-watering plant. Then you can use colored threads or ribbon to decorate it so that it looks something like
this. Simple yet elegant. Plus fresh oxygen for us all. Cheers.
Self-watering plant. Materials required are bottle of wine, thread of yarn, cold water, some mud, wick, your favorite sapling. Procedure is, go to any hardware shop and get the bottle cut into half. Invert the top of a bottle to fit into the bottom. Before filling with mud and planting, throw some oil wicks through the top to down the neck of the bottle. This will absorb water up to the soil, giving you a self-watering plant.
Sorry guys, bhook bahut lagi hai. I'll quickly have a vegetable sandwich and I'll join you. Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Salt. कहाँ रखा है? कहाँ पीछे रखा हुआ है? Salt. You know, this is the, I think, biggest problem in the kitchen. Jars. Spices के jars होते हैं, pickle के jars होते हैं, and mostly they take a lot of space and it's very difficult to locate them also. मतलब ज़्यादातर आप ढूंढ ही रहे होते हैं, कहाँ है नमक का जार, कहाँ है अचार का जार. How about you find a very convenient location for them? How? I'll show you. In this process, all you need is a double tape and a pair of scissors. So now, what I'll do is, I'll simply take the double tape and stick the lids of these jars onto the wooden cabinet, like this. And then, as per your convenience, you can open the jar and close the jar whenever you want to. So I'll take rest of these jars also and stick them the same way. And in case in your kitchen you have some really big or heavy jars, then what you can do is simply screw them onto this wooden rack. Now you will always know where the salt is, where the red chili powder is. So now your kitchen looks more classy, plus it's very easy to locate where your spices are.
Spice jar holder. Materials required are spice jars, double tape or glue, screwdriver and screws. Procedure is, all you need is a strip of double tape or some glue. Just stick the lids of the jars onto the wooden racks and close the jars like you want. If you have heavy jars, you can screw the lids onto the surface.
So now, to help you create more space in your kitchen, I have a special friend who's flying down to help you. Well, I call him a space hero. Please welcome Cabinet Door. Here we go. Now in this process, we'll need a few nails, hammer, a piece of plywood with hooks attached. But in case hooks attached plywood piece आपको नहीं मिलता है, then take one ordinary plywood piece, buy some hooks, and then using the nails and hammer, make some holes. Once you've made the holes, take the hooks and insert it in by simply twisting and turning, twisting and turning. Once you have attached the hooks, the plywood piece will look like this. Now, you'll take nails and hammer and simply nail this plywood piece onto the cabinet door. I'll show you. So now, in the kitchen you must be having saucepan, a frying pan, flat tawa, like for example, your stirring spoons. Or if you have in your kitchen a flat tawa, dosa tawa, frying pan. See? So now your kitchen looks more stylish, more elegant. Plus, you're saving loads of space. How about that?
Space Heroes cabinet door. Materials required are nails and hammers, piece of plywood. Procedure is get some nails and hammer and then nail any old or unused plywood pieces. Nail the pieces onto your cabinet and hang your saucepans there.
You know, onions and onions, वो हम सबको रुलाते हैं. At times because of the price rise and at times because you're simpling chopping onions. तो इसका हल क्या है? Well, I have a very simple solution. जब भी आप onions काट रहे हैं, just keep a piece of bread in your mouth and you won't tear up. Rocket science. Try करना. Speaking of rocket science, जो हमारी next problem है ना, even a rocket scientist won't have a solution to it. I'm talking about how to clean our Tupperware. भाई हमारा जो इंडियन खाना होता है ना, loads of मसालास, ऑयल, घी, दादी माँ नानी माँ के नुस्खे, माँ का प्यार. So जो stains पड़ते Tupperware पे, it's very difficult to remove those stains. But I have two very simple and cool ways of cleaning your Tupperware. कैसे? बताता हूँ आपको. In the first method, we'll use white vinegar. As per me, vinegar is ideal when it comes to cleaning stains of Tupperware. कैसे? Firstly, take your dirty Tupperware like this. Now in the first step, I'll use some warm water. Then I'll add some dishwashing soap to it. And then wash this Tupperware in this water. Gently and thoroughly rinse it. After this step, you just throw this water away. Then again, take some warm water. This time, add some white vinegar. And then rinse the same Tupperware in it. So we'll wait for a few minutes and then take the Tupperware out. Throw this portion away. So in the second process of cleaning Tupperware, we'll use baking soda. Now take some hot water. बेकिंग सोडा के दो फायदे होते हैं. स्टेन्स तो निकल ही जाएंगे, साथ ही साथ टपरवेयर से कई बार जो बदबू आती है ना, बैड स्मेल, वो भी निकल जाएगी. Now in the warm water, simply add some baking soda. Stir it well ताकि एक अच्छा मिक्सचर बन जाए. Then take the dirty Tupperware. Wash it in this mixture. Rinse well. Then leave the Tupperware in this mixture, say overnight. और अगले दिन जब आप Tupperware को अपने हाथ में लेंगे ना, I'm sure अपनी शक्ल उसमें देख पाएंगे. So I'll keep it here. And in the morning, magic will happen.
Cleaning Tupperware with vinegar. Materials required are Tupperware, white vinegar, hot water, dishwash. Procedure is first wash the Tupperware using hot water and mild dish soap. Then rinse the containers with warm water and add some white vinegar. Let the vinegar set for 5 minutes. Pour out the vinegar and wash again with hot water and mild dish soap. Clean Tupperware with baking soda. Materials required are Tupperware, baking soda and warm water. Procedure is make a paste of hot water and baking soda. Rub the paste inside the container. Let it set overnight and then rinse with warm water.
You know, no matter what kind of lifestyle we have, no matter what kind of house we live in, either we belong to a rich family or middle class family, there's one element which is common amongst us all. और अगर हमें उस एलिमेंट को सही से हैंडल करना आ जाए ना, लाइफ बिकम्स सॉर्टेड और थोड़ी इजी हो जाती है. एनी गेसेस? Sakkubai, the unbeatable Sakkubai. But after Sakkubai comes in this, the humble Swiss Army knife. If you know how to use this device, it can fix up a lot of things around the house जब आपके कारपेंटर, प्लम्बर और मेड नहीं है आपके आसपास. गिनेस बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में जिस स्विस आर्मी नाइफ की बात की गई है, it has 314 blades, but the standard one has around 14 blades. और उसी पे आज हम फोकस करने वाले हैं. The first blade is the plain and simple blade made of stainless steel, but it's very very sharp. और इसे आप यूज कर सकते हैं to cut the electric wires around the house. Simply, easy to use and very very efficient. The next blade is the can opener, and here's the can. Now place it on the edge and very easily you can open this can up. Here we go. See, very simple to use. Moving on, this small blade with the dent is actually a flat screwdriver plus a cap lifter. Here's a piece of wood. Here's the screw. And now I'm going to use this flat screwdriver. And as I said, it's also a cap lifter. Here's the bottle. Cheers. Moving on from the regular screwdriver to the star screwdriver, which comes in very handy, especially when it comes to screws which are star headed, like on this wall clock. Next is your nail filer, and next is your tweezer, small but very useful, and then toothpick, again बड़े काम की चीज है. दांत क्लीन है मेरे. And last but not the least, मेरे काम की चीज, corkscrew. There's the wine bottle and there's the glass. Let me take the wrapper off. Voila! You know, I love my job. कुछ आपको सिखाता हूँ, कुछ आपसे सीखता हूँ, लेकिन फिलहाल आज के लिए I have learned a lot from you, and I'm sure आपने भी थोड़ा बहुत तो मुझसे सीखा ही होगा. So I'll see you next week. तब तक के लिए take care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. Cheers!